Hey, it's Matt from gravityforms.com. I want to talk about 5 amazing things about Gravity SMTP today. Maybe 6. I got a little bonus that I'll throw in at the end. If you don't know, Gravity SMTP is available for free on developer, elite, and nonprofit licenses. Just go to gravityforms.com, log into your account, and download Gravity SMTP and add it to all of your sites today because it's going to help you deliver emails more efficiently, more effectively, and more securely, especially for your customers and their most important emails like purchase receipts, transactional emails, important lead contact form data. It's all going to be delivered right to their inbox or their customer's inbox. So that was number 1. The most important reason to use Gravity SMTP is to make sure those emails get delivered safely, securely, and effectively. Number 2, Gravity SMTP makes it easy to manage all of that right inside of your WordPress dashboard. So if you're working with clients or you're working within your organization and somebody says, I'm not getting that email stopped coming through, sort of like that panic moment that happens when those important emails stop coming into the inboxes, you can come right here into the dashboard and see everything from a bird's eye view. You can filter from sent versus failed. You can see the count right off the bat. So anyone who has been servicing customers and servicing WordPress websites or in IT in general know that we need a nice, quick dashboard just to get that bird's eye view to see if something is happening. Maybe sales are going up and you're using email as a benchmark, right? You're saying, well, look at all the receipts going out. Look at all of the signups coming in. This is a great way to get that bird's eye view. It's going to give you some stuff here down at the bottom, like top sending sources, because it's not always just about Gravity Forms. Gravity SMTP allows you to send all emails from WordPress using Gravity SMTP. So in this demo site, you can see the WordFence security reports coming through far out way the amount of contact forms we get on this sample site. Top email recipients, integrations, and of course, quick links. Integrations will be a lot more important as I go further in this video, but this is that bird's eye view right here on the dashboard. Number 2, it's the log screen. If you go to email log, you can see all of the emails going out from your WordPress website, and you can see their status. Were they sent? Did they fail? And if they failed, let's go in and click into an email to see what was in that email. Perhaps we're getting a report back that it was blocked from spam or images or some links. We can preview that image here, make sure we understand, okay, what was the email that was going out that got blocked, and then we can debug from there. And when we're ready, we can just resend it with a click of a button. If we made an adjustment with our send mail service, maybe somebody had to unblock us from spam or something like that, you can always click and resend the email here. We click on the information icon, it's going to pull up that entry as if it were in Gravity Forms, and you can see even further what this email is doing, right? Just giving you that deeper integration into the behind the scenes of managing email. So that's the logging screen here in Gravity SMTP. Okay, now we'll shoot over to the tools screen. This is one of the most requested features. If you've been spending any of your time in the last, 5 to 25 years in IT and web services, there's always that moment where the customer or your colleague says, I'm not getting the email. It's not coming through. None of the emails come through. What we can quickly do is send a test email. It's a simple yet beautiful feature here in Gravity SMTP. Makes everyone's lives easier to just quickly test that inbox and say, okay, what's your email? Let me put it in here and send a test. It's going to send actually that sample email you saw in the earlier screen. It's going to send that as a test and say, did you receive that? Yes or no? And then we can work our way back from there. So definitely a great little tool to have inside of Gravity SMTP. I love it, and I know many others do as well. For our 5th tip, I want to jump over to the settings screen and then go to integrations. We're not going to do a whole walkthrough of this. We have other videos that do that. Right now, in this example site, I'm using Postmark as that SMTP service to send all the emails from this website. But when I click the 3 dots, I can set this as a primary or a backup. And I think this is one of the greatest features, especially of those of us who might be trying out some SMTP services on a free plan. Maybe others were paying for some kind of credit-based system, but we don't want to go over those limits. You can set a primary or a backup and a backup to SMTP services. So if you wanted to use multiple SMTP services as a failover, again, maybe you're running an e-commerce site, a membership site, a donation site. You want those transactional emails to go out. If in this case, Postmark had an issue sending email and there was a connection issue, it would fail over to a secondary connection that we could hook up here. If we ran out of credits on Postmark and we switched over to something like Brevo as a backup, it would then start sending emails from our Brevo account. So you'll have to set up both accounts, but I think it's really cool to be able to route a primary and secondary SMTP service right here in Gravity SMTP. Okay, that bonus tip number 6, right here on the settings page, we can do a few things. We can always run in test mode. If we're just setting this up for a customer and we don't want emails to actually start going out, we can enable a test mode with Gravity SMTP. We can enable a email activity digest, which will email us on a weekly basis that says, here's what's happened with all the email, how many delivered, how many failed, what other errors are we running into. I think that's really cool. And then experimental features, you can enable this. Right now, our experimental features are a webhook or an SMS Twilio notification about email issues that might be happening. Once again, you're running a highly critical site, especially those that are running Gravity Forms as the front end for user registration on an event site, a membership site, or ticketing and donations. This will automatically email any of those issues that your site is having with your SMTP provider and let you know, hey, there's a problem with the site. Go and check it out. Okay, that's what I have for you for Gravity SMTP today. Don't forget, free with developer, elite, and nonprofit licenses. Go to gravityforms.com, log in, download Gravity SMTP, get it hooked up to all of your WordPress sites, especially for an agency or a freelancer. This helps your customers immensely. You can sleep a little bit safer at night knowing that their emails are getting delivered to their customers, right? It's their customers' customers are going to be really happy by you providing a deep value integration like this. Thanks for watching today's video. Thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you want more. Got some comments? Leave them below. We'll see you in the next video.